100 in a mod. You can spell things with numbers now. Oh, you died. You can do it. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. Oh, I thought you died. You're so bad. But you didn't. Which makes you better. He is too good at this game. And he's into the ship. Using a default ship because he is a default in Fortnite, which is the game we'll be playing next in 2.5 years. Oh, you died. Loser. Loser. Stupid ad. Sorry guys, got coronavirus. It's not my fault, it's yours. You were at that Bruno Mars concert giving